Have you ever wondered how your email reaches its destination or how a web page loads on your screen? The answer lies in the intricate workings of network protocols, specifically the Open Systems Interconnection Model, or OSI model. The OSI model is a 7-layer blueprint that describes how different network protocols interact and work together to provide network services. Starting from the bottom, the first layer is the physical layer. This is the foundation of the OSI model, dealing with the physical aspects of data transmission. It encompasses everything from cables and wireless signals to how binary data is sent and received. Next up is the data link layer. This layer ensures that data packets are sent and received without errors. It also manages how devices on the same network interact with each other using physical addresses, known as MAC addresses. The third layer is the network layer. This is where things start to get a bit more complex. The network layer is responsible for finding the best route for data to reach its destination. This could be a website server on the other side of the world or a printer in the next room. Moving on to the transport layer, the fourth layer. This layer ensures data transmission is reliable and in order. It also controls the rate of data transmission, preventing a situation where a fast sender overwhelms a slow receiver. The fifth layer, the session layer, manages sessions between networked computers. It establishes, manages, and terminates connections between local and remote applications. Next in line is the presentation layer. This layer formats and encrypts data in a way that the receiving application can understand. It's also responsible for data compression and decompression, and encryption and decryption. Finally, at the top, we have the application layer. This is the layer that interacts with software applications that implement a communicating component. It provides network services to these applications. To summarize, the OSI model is a conceptual framework that explains how different network protocols interact and work together to provide network services. From the physical layer that deals with the actual transmission of data, through the data link and network layers that handle error-free transmission and routing, to the transport layer that ensures reliable and orderly transmission. Then the session layer that manages sessions, the presentation layer that prepares data for the application, and finally the application layer that interfaces with software applications. Each layer has a specific role to play in the fascinating process of data communication. So the next time you send an email or load a web page, remember the 7 layers of the OSI model working together to make it happen. It's a marvel of modern technology that operates behind the scenes every day, making our interconnected world possible.